What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 16th of June. It is Friday. Hope everybody had a great week heading into the weekend here, but not for cryptocurrency. XRP will be trading all through the weekend along with the other cryptos in the market. That is a great thing. It's nice to have markets open around the clock every day. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the 2,250 or so subscribers. Today, we're going to take a look at XRP and if the SEC case goes in Ripple's favor, will the XRP price go parabolic to the upside? We're going to take a look at two, maybe more, but at least two upper potential price targets for XRP, and then we'll take a stop over at Bitcoin as it has broken lower. See what's going on with that. So let's zoom into the chart, guys. Let me know how long you've been an XRP holder down in the comments. Interesting to see that. I've been around since about 2017. Have not held XRP that entire time. There was a period of time where I didn't hold any XRP and then got back into the markets. But the 2017 bull run was incredible, to say the least. So, guys, let's zoom into the chart, and then we'll look at those much higher price targets. So hang around till the end of the video. Major resistance here at 55 cents. This is like our fourth, fifth, sixth time testing this level, getting crushed back down. It is nice to find support down there at 47,060, which is my orange line on the chart, which represents basically the top end of this wedge here. So resistance turning into support. Basically, heading into our potential second inside day here. Looks like you're going to need some time to go by before this price decides to move higher. But we're going to get to a news event that could potentially make this price do basically anything that the mind can imagine. But otherwise, it looks like we're going to chop around for a bit, maybe trend even lower. So that is that for right now. We're stuck here at, looks like right around 47,799. As we zoom out on the chart, you can see the major resistance at 55 cents. 55 cents, but it is nice to find some support. All right, guys, what you are here for is you want to know the huge XRP price targets. So if the SEC case, right, goes in Ripple's favor, could it potentially be a bad news is good news thing? It could be, but more than likely this scenario would have to play out on a positive event for one, Ripple, XRP, and then two, the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Because you can imagine if the case goes against Ripple and is bad for the rest of the market is going to sell off big time. Is that going to be a good buying opportunity? Potentially. So based on the last couple years data, okay, based on the last couple years, so we'll go back about two or 3 years. Based on that data, that big range, so we hit a range, was not long ago, really. $1.96 was our range here. That was our high, our most recent major high was that one. And then we have one back in here in 2018, I guess it was, early 18. That was in that $3.30 or so cents. But based on not going back that far, based on going back to about 2021, if the case goes in Ripple's favor and we have some fantastic news come out, I think we could see there's potential, right? It all depends on how good the news is. There's a chance that XRP, one, goes parabolic. So I have upper targets, guys. Now, if you look at the chart, I have lots of upper targets. Everything from where we're trading at all these numbers here on the side are price lines. So the price could stop anywhere in here. It could go up to 63 cents. It could go, to $1.21. Anything is possible. My major upper target is $6.17 or so. Could we see that in one candle? Maybe. Anything's possible. That would be a big, big move. Could have happened in a couple days, a couple weeks, potentially. If this thing goes absolutely parabolic and breaks out past our $1.96 or so high, then there's a chance. I'm just telling you what the numbers are, and the numbers are in the $6 range. We have a couple more up there in the 4s and the 5s, $3. But my major one is up there at $6.17. That's based on the past couple of years. That would be a huge move from where we are trading at now. So if we're trading at that, call it 47, 48 cent range, and we go parabolic, absolutely parabolic, up to $6, call it right there. That looks like a 11, just about a 1,200% move higher. We have seen XRP make massive moves like this in the past. So it's definitely not out of the question. I don't think it'll happen in a day. If it happened in one day, that would be absolutely incredible. I don't see it happening in a day, but it could. This thing has been consolidating for how many years now? It's been a lot. And, price can move both up and both down. Don't forget the down scenario. Talked about that yesterday in yesterday's XRP video. Price can move beyond belief on news, so 1,100, 1,200% will get us up to $6 from where we are currently trading. Let's come back to this. Keep that $6 in mind. Let's look at something here. From basically this top end of this range back in here, so call it back in 2016, to the first major high was a 4,000% move. To the second major high was 34,000%. Can XRP move 1,000%? Of course it could. We've seen it move much, much more than that. What's your XRP price target? Do you think XRP will get to $6? Do you think we're going to get higher than that? We talked about the not so friendly scenario yesterday. If the Ripple SEC lawsuit goes against Ripple and it does not look good, maybe Ripple leaves the US, will we see an 18 cent? Will we see a 1 cent XRP? Anything's possible, guys. So keep that in mind when you're holding positions that, however great everything is, if your risk is out of line, it can wipe you out. Scenario number 2 for XRP. And this is not financial advice, guys. Scenario number 2, going back to the 2017-2018 level. So this is a lot of time going back here. If XRP goes parabolic and doesn't stop at $6, we talked about that 1,200% move from where we're currently trading at, basically 47, 48 cents. $11, $11.15 to be exact. Call it $11. Could we see a big green candle shooting us all the way up to $11? Keep in mind, this thing has been basically range bound. We've had some pretty nice, very nice actually, moves higher and lower. But overall, it's just been consolidating. Most recent consolidation going back to just about 2021. Will XRP get to $11? So my range is a $6 to an $11 XRP. If Ripple gets the favor in the court, Judge Torres, hands Ripple the win, whatever that means. $6 to $11. Might not happen in a day. Might take a month, might take 6 months. Who knows? It would be one, good for the XRP price. Two, good for the rest of the market. And we'll probably see the rest of the market, the entire market, Bitcoin rally, at least in the short term. But right now, Bitcoin has rolled over. It's not looking good. XRP isn't looking too hot right now. It's actually holding up quite well compared to the rest of the market. But if we see something like that, of course, XRP could move on its own and the rest of the market, kind of just hangs out. But if Ripple gets clarity, XRP gets clarity, it's going to be good for the rest of the market. Parabolic scenario for XRP, $6 to $11. What's the percentage on that, guys? So call it right about there. Up to $11, 2,200%. We've seen XRP move many, 4,000% was that first major move before a large consolidation. 2,000%. Could XRP do a 2,000% move? Of course it could. It could do way more than that. You could add a zero to that. $6 to $11 is my ultimate moon scenario for XRP right now. Is that conservative? Some people might call it extremely conservative. I get it. But in the short term, I don't think this thing is just going to rocket up to $100. That's pretty unrealistic. Not saying it won't. Don't forget, I'm bullish on XRP. If it did that, that'd be great. And hey, I hope I'm wrong. I hope $6 to $11 is, a throw in the bucket and it's, gets left in the dust. Based on recent price action, the past couple of years, $6 to $11, I think, is very, very realistic. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Go back and watch yesterday's video. We talk about the opposite scenario of this. Basically, XRP going down, breaking to the downside in a big, big way. That's also not out of the cards. If Ripple gets crushed in the courts, I don't think the price is going to rally. Could bad news be good news for the price? Maybe, but more than likely not. More than likely, this thing will get crushed if the SEC case goes against Ripple. XRP price will probably get crushed. And we have some much lower price targets. Here's 18 cents. We actually have one way down there at 1 cent as well. Let me know in the comments if XRP's price went to $6 to $11. How would your life change? If XRP went back up to $1.96, would your lives be changed? Let me know in the comments. Guys, thanks for hanging around. Hopefully one of these days, right? We put this SEC case behind us and we can move on here. Whether Ripple gets the favor they want or not, put it behind us, move on, and we'll have some clarity in the markets. And it's going to be a big player for the rest of the cryptocurrency market in the US. $6 to $11. That's what I got. What's your highest price target? Go ahead, write it down below. You guys have a good one. Enjoy your Friday. We'll catch you in another video. Take care. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later on in the weekend.